Hi all, welcome to Shilpa's Math classes. So today we are going to discuss about how can we convert a percentage into fraction and decimal. Okay, so in the last class we discussed about finding a percentage of a number. So if you couldn't watch that video, I will provide that video in the comment section. So, for example, if you need to find 20 percentage of 200, then how will you find it? 200 into 20, 20%. Percent means divided by 100 per 100. So, we can cancel these zeros. So, the answer is 2 into 20, that is equal to 40. Okay, so today we are going to check how can we convert this percentage into a fraction or decimal. For example, we can take the same example, 20%. This means 20 over 100. Is it? Percent means over 100. Then this is the fractional equivalent of this percentage. Then we can simplify this, is it? We can see that both numerator and denominator are divisible by 10. So we can cancel this. So this is equal to 2 over 10. Again, we can see that both numerator and denominator are divisible by 5. So 1 times 2 is 2 and 5 times 2 is 10. So this is equal to 1 over 5. So 20 percentage is equivalent to 1 over 5. So this is fraction. Then how can we convert this fraction into decimal? So 1 over 5 means 1 divided by 5. How many 5s go into 1? 0. Then put a decimal, write 0 here. Then 5 times 2 is equal to 10. So the answer is 0.2. So we can say 20 percentage is same as 1 over 5 and that is same as 0.2. We can take the same example. So in the first example, we could find that 20 percentage of 200 is 40. Okay, next we can check what is 1/5 of 1/5 of 200. So 200 times 1 over 5, that is equal to 200 divided by 5, which is equal to 40. Then again 200 times 0.2. 200 times 0.2 is how will you do that? Do 200 times 2 without decimal. 2 times 0 0, 2 times 0 0, 2 times 2 4. Then you have to put the decimal point here. Why? The question you can see one decimal point, one digit on the right side of decimal point. So your answer will also have one digit on the right side of decimal point. So answer is 40. Okay. So 20 percentage of 200 is 40. 1/5 of 200 is 40. Then 0.2 times 200 is also 40. So we can check some more examples to convert percentage into fraction and decimal. Next one. Next we can check 50 percentage. 50 percentage. So this is percentage. How can you convert that into a fraction? 50 percentage means it's 50 over 100. We can see that it's divisible by 10. So this is equal to 5 over 10. Both numbers are divisible by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So 1 over 2 is the fractional equal. Then how can you convert this thing into decimal? So 1 divided by 2. How many 2's go into 1 0? Then point, put a 0 here. 2 times 5 is 10. So this is equal to 0.5. So we can say 50 percentage is equal to 1 over 2. That is equal to 0.5. Okay, I'll show one more example. Mm, Okay, 60 percentage, 60 percentage. So how can you convert this percentage into fraction? This is equal to 60 over 100. Then how can you simplify it? Both numbers are divisible by 10. So we can cut the zeros. This is equal to 6 over 10. Then both numbers are divisible by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 60 percentage is equal to 3 over 5. Then how can you convert this 3 over 5 into a decimal? 3 divided by 5. How many 5 is going to 3? No, 0. Then put a decimal point here, 30. 5 times 6 is 30. Remainder 0. So it is equal to zero point 0.6. So we can say 60 percentage is equal to 3 over 5, or that is equal to zero point 0.6. Okay, I will show one more example. Mm, okay, 80 percentage. 80 percentage. 80 percentage is equal to 80 over 100. Both numbers are divisible by 10. We can cut 1 0. Then 8 over 10. Both numbers are divisible by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then 4 divided by 5. Then how many 5s goes into 4? 0. Put a decimal point. 0. 5 times 8 is 40. So we can say 80 percentage is equal to 4 over 5 is equal to zero point 0.8. Okay, we can check whether these are equivalent. Um, okay, we can find 80 percentage of 400. Okay, first we know we found that 80 percentage is equal to 4 over 5 is equal to zero point 0.8. So first 80 percentage of 400. So 400 times 80 over 100. These two zeros cancel out. So 4 into 8, 32, 320. Then 4/5 of 400. 4/5 of 400. So 4 over 5 into 400, that is equal to 5 into 80 is 40. 80, so 4 into 80 is also 320. Finally, zero point 0.8 into 400. 0 0.8 into 400. How will you do that? Just multiply these numbers as normal numbers. Then 8 into 0, 0, 8 into 0, 0, 8 into 4, 32. Then where will you put the decimal point? In the question, you can see that only one digit on the right side of decimal point. So your answer will have only one digit on the right side of decimal point. So you should put the decimal point here. So the answer is 320. Okay, so hope the method is clear. See you in the next class. Bye.